Welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Parker. I'm the head trader here, and this is our day trading recap for Tuesday, July 25th. So, starting here on our market internals, as you can see, we have our vol difference, our advancing and decliners, and our volatility index. Starting here on our vol difference, today did not have the best internals, as you can see, opening up here, pushing above the zero line, pulling back here below it. It was pretty choppy here at the open before we did, stay above that zero line in bullish posture. If you look down here at our advancing and decliners, big gap down here in the morning, which does mean there was a lot of stocks gapping down from yesterday's close. And then as you can see, just a really strong move here off the open, then getting rejected here off that zero line, pulling back, and then getting our strong move above that zero line to be bullishly postured. So when you have market internals that are like this, like you have kind of positive and negative internals, you just kind of want to wait, right, until you get that symmetry. So as you can see here at about 10:10 is when both the vol difference and the advancing and decliners got above that zero line and started holding that zero line in the bullish zone here above that zero. So when we saw that, I was just really patient when I saw this. When I did see it get both of the vol difference and the advancing and decliners get above that zero line and hold there for a while, I did get pretty bullish. Start looking for call options. And we did have a VIX that had a big pull down here off the open and then just kind of chopped sideways. So not really any direction here on the VIX. So we were bullish on the day when we did see these internals get above those zero lines. So now we can look at our analysis quad here. Looking at our daily chart, as you can see, we did have a nice green day today, breaking above these highs from last week. So we'll start here on our 3-minute. As you can see, we got that nice push up here in the morning, and then we got a nice consolidation to the downside, forming a kind of bull pennant here. And then we did get a momentum shift squeeze to the upside with a breakout of the bull pennant, which is a bullish continuation pattern. So this would have been a nice opportunity to get long for a play on the market strength and to break above these highs from yesterday. And then as you can see here, we got that nice move to the upside. Looking at the 5-minute, as you can see, we had a 5-minute squeezes also, and then it did zero out and start turning bullish here when we did break out of that bull pennant. And if you look down here at our 15-minute chart, we did have a trade line VWAP cross to the upside on the 15-minute, which is a bullish catalyst. When you do have the momentum averages crossing the volume averages, that is a bullish crossover. And we did have a nice squeeze here on the 15-minute as well. So there was a lot of nice bullish things lining up here, a bullish pattern and bullish squeezes here to go along with our bullish market internals. So this was a nice trade here for call options. We can look at our 1-minute. So this is our 1-minute where we execute the trades. We did not have a 1-minute squeeze here on this breakout of this bull pennant, but we did have upward momentum and we did have a bullish oscillator cross. So we were looking at the 455 strike put options, which was the next options out of the money here. So your entry was like in here on this breakout on that squeeze to the upside, with the 455 sitting here right at basically yesterday's highs. And then as you can see, we got that nice move to the upside. So looking at our contracts here, if you did get in somewhere on this breakout, you're looking at an entry about 82 cents. And on that nice move to break highs of the day, you're looking at about a 46% gain. And on that nice extension up to really, break through yesterday's highs, we are looking at a 79.9% gain. So we're just going to call that an 80% gain on these call options today. Not the biggest trade, but a very nice trade nonetheless. But as you can see, the market did remain strong all day. We were, basically out of this trade, at this point. You're not really going to hold up too much longer after this point because that is a lot of market strength, and that's a very long uptrend. But if you did, hold that call option, even longer, as you can see, that really made a move up here all the way up to about 130 4% gain on the day. So really nice move today on these call options. We're going to call it an 80% gain because I'm assuming most of you guys got out here on this, really nice second extension here at about 1 o'clock. So yeah, really nice trade today on the SPY. I know I said in last week's recap that I expected a pullback in the market, but as you can see, the market just continuing to just rip higher here. When we did get these two red days into the close last week on Thursday and Friday, I was maybe expecting a pullback, maybe towards this midline or these previous highs from last month. But as you can see, the market just continuing its insane strength here, breaking these highs from last week and just marching upward. So definitely be interesting to see what happens, but we did get a pretty solid pullback here into the close. And I do want to note that there will not be a market recap this Friday because I will be out of town on vacation. But yeah, so that'll do it for the video. Appreciate y'all watching, and I will talk to y'all later.